Hi, this is Paul from globaltradingsoftware.com and a crypto trading tutorial stroke analysis on Solana, SOLUSD. One of my biggest holdings actually. I got in way back when it was $21, $24. So big holding of mine. Got some more when it came back on the wave 4 pullback. And also now we've gone and we're getting close to that fifth wave target, that $240 to $250 target that I talked about in a previous video, and you can watch that at the link in the description below. But what about if you just wanted to trade this current move up here? What spotted that move intraday to allow you to either get some more Solana or in fact just spot trade it? This is where the expert algo comes in, the crypto trading bundle. So initially we have had on the 31st of October, going into the 1st of November, we had a 6-star buy here. Okay, coming back, we see this pullback here, there. But then the expert algo spots a 6-star buy here. 31st of October, 1400 European time. We get the little green triangle there, which is the divergence cloud. That's confirmation of that signal. That was the first push. It pulled back. Now then we had, this is what I really like with the expert algo. If we start to build momentum, 4-star, 5-star, 6-star buys, we've already got the divergence confirmation between the 4 and the 5-star. This is a good setup because we can see that a 6-star is 12 out of 12, 5-star 11 out of 12, 4-star 10 out of 12 points of control, and these are very hard. It don't print them every day, but then to get that 10, 11, 12 out of 12 points of control consecutively, you can see the momentum building up. This is the time to get in Solana. For me, it would have been around 206.32. It's now at 228.86. Big move up. And then the new trade management tool, if you're spot trading this is the 30-minute time frame. We'd be using the manager. And we see how the manager, when these little pullbacks come back, the dots underneath the candles mean lower than average volume. That means you stay in, and then it pushes again, then it pulls back, goes sideways, lower than average volume. We're coming back down right now, lower than average volume. No need to panic if we're spot trading SOL right now. So I just wanted to make this because this is you've got to be able to identify those moves longer term again, and I'll go through that again in a minute, but also shorter term as well. Can you spot trade? Can you add to your position? Yes, you can with the crypto trading bundle, with these expert algo signals, the confirmation from the divergence cloud, and then you get these big moves. I mean, they don't print all the time. You can see here there's no real prints here. That was the last one here back on the 24th of October with a big move up on the 30-minute time frame. They only print when they spot that things are going to go long or even short in some cases. So this again, with this crypto trading bundle, you can spot some great looking trades. Just going to pause it there, bring back that Elliott wave chart. Okay, so back to this. This is an Elliott wave. Again, it's for longer term swings, and I've used this a lot. You can see on Ethereum as well, we are coming up to, there's a little bit more, about 5,000, 5,200 with Ethereum. But back to Solana, this is where we are right now. What happens when you get to this fifth wave? Now, it can become corrective or it can just blow through. All we say when we look at these Elliott waves is this is a good fib zone for this fifth wave target for the price to reach. In the middle of that target is around about $247. So that's what we're looking for. But in reality, we are still very, very bullish here. One thing we look at is the Elliott wave oscillator on the Elliott wave indicator suite. And again, the Elliott wave indicator suite is not in the crypto trading bundle. It's a longer term, but I will put the links in below. What we're looking at here at the moment, what usually happens is we get what we call divergence of these oscillators. So we get the price action going up here from the 3 to the 5, and then the divergence is that the oscillator has a lower crowning point on the fifth wave, which means it's running out of juice. Now, it's not all the way over yet, And I'm not saying as soon as this zone is hit, Solana will dive bomb down. It won't. It will go corrective or blow through. And this is the important thing here is if we start to get these oscillator bars breaking this initial crown here and heading up towards this wave 3, this will blow through. So it's very, very critical, and I will just be keeping an eye on this every single day and looking at this behavior now to see what it does. A lot of the time we get to this fifth wave and we're corrective and we'll come down to previous support zones, and you know, and one of the things that could happen here is that we come down to, let me just, I've got to find an arrow here somewhere. Okay, bear with me a second. So the idea is we you know, we could come down to this point here, part of the correction. So we did have a bit of support here. It was previous resistance as well. So this is what a likely scenario is that we get into this zone, get a bit corrective, and then we push again. If it does really, and I very much doubt it, can break this, this is a big support from this previous wave 4, and you would look to get a higher support and for that to go again. So again, there's always going to be opportunities on those smaller time frames when we do get corrective, like I just showed you with that crypto trading bundle with the XPRAD algo there. Some fantastic opportunities. So it's a very tradable crypto, Solana, right now. You know, I took a punt at $21 and $26 and all sorts of things there. You know, I took a punt at that point. Did a bit of research, but then look at this 5 and 6 star buy signal from the XPRAD algo on the daily time frame. Boom! Soon as that hits, it goes. Then you get a wave 4 pullback, and then you add some more. I think I've got around about 105 Solana right now. So this is getting really good. So all I'm doing now is, you know, there were some spot trading opportunities very recently on here, which were good. If you know, if you're still in there, brilliant. The manager's going to keep you in. And then we just look for another pullback, and we look for another 4, 5, 6 star XPRAD signals to either add to our position or just spot trade. So lots of opportunities on Solana. Really like this crypto. It's got a big future, and it's very, very tradable, both for swing trading, investing, and indeed for spot trading with this XPRAD algo with a crypto trading bundle. Hopefully that helps. Speak to you all really soon.